If you guys don't have an In-N-Out from where you're from, I feel bad for you. What's up guys, just a mechanic. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm eating In-N-Out, but that's not what this video is about. I actually just picked up another spray gun, and well, after I finish eating, we're gonna go head to the car and show you guys what I got. All right, so let's go ahead and head over to the car, show you guys that new spray gun. I think you guys will like it. It's gonna be a new addition to the channel. I honestly have never bought this brand of spray gun before. I'm usually a DeVilbiss guy, so yeah, this is should be pretty interesting. All right, so what did I just buy? That's right, boys. I just bought a Sata 5000B RP 1.3, and the guy ended up giving me the RPS kit. He said he never used it. We got a new Sata, boys. Let's go ahead and take this guy in and take a look at it. So like I said, we got the Sata 5000. It does need a bit of a cleaning. Of course, it is used. I don't buy new unless you know, it's a good deal or good price. And I've always bought used guns, but in good condition. And like I said, it's a 1.3. Pretty fair condition. If I told you how much I paid for it, you wouldn't believe it. So I'm not even gonna tell you. So yeah, and it came with, like I said, the RPS kit, the manual, of course the gun. It didn't come with the disassembly tool, but I think I have one that might work for it. A couple other things I bought is I bought a filter kit. This is the Motor Guard clean filter kit. Not sure which one I got. I think it's the M60. I'm not sure. I don't think it has the, oh, never mind. It's right there. M100 kit. So it comes with the filter and plus 2 spare elements. And I'll show you what it looks like. I was recommended this by one of my subscribers. Yeah, it comes with 2 toilet paper style filters. Looks like that. And we got the compressed air filter kit. The reason why I bought this was because when the last time I sprayed the fender, which yes, I haven't really done much here, got this, reason being the Harbor Freight filter is too small, and what is happening is those beads are just changing really quick. And like for example, that fender, just painting that fender, the beads of the filter turned pink. So obviously there's still a lot of water getting bypassed from the air compressor, so I'm gonna add another filter to it. So thank you to one of my subscribers for recommending this. I did end up looking at reviews, and from what I can see, it looks like this gets really good reviews and works really well. So only time will tell. Anyway, for the spray gun, like I said, Sata, man. I wish I would have kept the Weta 5000 so I could do a spray gun shootout between a genuine and a copy. To be honest, the real feels really similar to the Weta 5000, but obviously there's some major differences here. I'll probably get into that a little bit more later, but honestly, this is my first Sata. I've always had DeVilbiss guns. Currently going on my 5th DeVilbiss, and I'm actually going to pick up another Techno Pro Light from the same guy that sold me this. He's got a Techno Pro Light for a steel He's having an issue with it, so he's like, you know what, I'm done with that gun. If you want it for $100, come and pick up the Techno Pro Light for $100. So the way I see it, I could use at least the Techno Pro Light's parts, at least for parts, and it'll be worth the money. So he said it'll come with a 1.2 and a 1.3 on the with the Techno Pro Light. So anyway, so I'm still gonna be waiting on that to buy some parts. But getting into this gun, a couple of my friends been teasing me. They're like, oh, you need to get on that Sata gang. It's all about Sata, blah, 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 and this and that. So let's see what all the commotion is about with these Satas, man. Yeah, so, and I'm also going to be doing a video on a girl painter. Yes, a female girl painter. I did the analytics not too long ago to see what genders were following me. And honestly, guys, 100% of you guys are all male. There's like 0 girls. At least that's what the analytics say. So no girls on the channel. I'm thinking of kind of changing that a little bit. So I'm gonna have one of my friends, or featured on the channel, I should say, and she has agreed to let me film her while she's painting. That's probably gonna be a few videos from now, but I'm gonna be recording her spraying in the booth, and you guys will all get to know her. She's pretty popular on Instagram. If I told you her name, you guys would probably know who she is. But if you don't, wait for that video, and you guys will get to know her. She's really, really cool. She's got 20 years experience in the field in painting, in automotive painting. She's a master painter. Well, she's a Sata girl, all right? Let's just say that. She keeps telling me, you need to get on that Sata gang. So I finally bought one based off her recommendation. So yeah, that's what I got. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a little short. I will be getting into painting very, very soon. I have a bumper and a fender getting prepped right now for paint. I know I haven't really been painting, but with this whole coronavirus thing, I've been struggling to find respirator masks. I was able to find one a couple weeks ago, but now I'm fresh out. I can't find cartridges, can't find a mask, and you know, I'm not gonna deteriorate my personal health just to make a video. So yeah, so I've been waiting around for that. I did find a place that might be able to get a shipment of masks pretty soon, so kind of waiting on that for them to let me know when they'll get another shipment of masks, so, or respirators, so that I'm able to paint again. That's the holdup all right now, and like I said, I'm still prepping behind the scenes a bumper and a fender, and more than likely the Sata will be used for clear. Probably end up doing the Techna for base. So anyways, that's gonna be future videos. Stay tuned, stay spraying, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.